In this video, I will be showing you the truth about seeing deleted chats on ChatGPT and how I protect my history so I never lose an important conversation again. I'm starting here by referencing a community forum, where it's clearly stated that once a chat is deleted, it's currently impossible to recover it within the standard interface. Because of this permanent nature, I've learned that it's a really good idea to export my data regularly if I want to keep a permanent record of my interactions for future reference. To start this process, I'll head over to the ChatGPT homepage and navigate down to the bottom left corner to click on my profile name. From the menu that pops up, I'll select Settings to open my account configuration. Once the settings window is visible, I'll look at the sidebar on the left and click on Data Controls. I'll then find the Export Data option and click the Export button right next to it. After I take a quick moment to review the information in the pop-up window regarding what exactly is included in the file, I'll click Confirm Export to proceed with the request. A green notification will immediately appear at the top of my screen, confirming that the export process has started and letting me know that I'll receive a download link via email shortly. Finally, I'll head over to my Gmail inbox to find the official message from OpenAI, which confirms that my data export is being prepared and will be ready for me to download and archive in just a few minutes. This simple step ensures that even if I delete a chat later, I'll always have a backup of my work saved safely on my own device. If you found this tip helpful for managing your AI history, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.